We've all been there. You buy your first bike, get that shiny helmet, and suddenly, you're out there feeling like you're the next Tour de France legend. But let me stop you right there, because if you're just starting out, there are a few bad habits that could turn your cycling dream into a cycling nightmare. Today, I'm going to save you from the 7 most common mistakes beginner cyclists make. Mistakes that can waste your time, wreck your bike, or worse, hurt you. Bad habit number 1. Not checking your bike before riding. Let me guess, you hop on your bike, hit the road, and halfway through the ride, something feels off. Maybe your brakes are loose or your tires are flatter than your motivation on a Monday morning. Always do a quick ABC check before riding. A for air, B for brakes, C for chain. It takes 2 minutes and can save you from a disaster. Bad habit number 2. Not staying hydrated. You don't need to wait until you feel like you're dying of thirst to drink water. By then, it's too late. Dehydration hits hard and fast, especially on long rides. Carry a water bottle. Actually, carry 2. Sip every 10 to 15 minutes, even if you're not thirsty. Bad habit number 3. Ignoring road rules. You're not just a cyclist, you're also a road user. That means red lights aren't just suggestions, my friend. Over 70% of cycling accidents involve rule violations. Be predictable, be seen, and respect the road. Bad habit number 4. Riding with earphones in. But music makes me ride faster. Yeah. Until you don't hear that truck behind you. Stay aware, your ears are one of your best defense tools. Use a Bluetooth speaker if you must, but keep your ears open. Bad habit number 5. Overcomplicating gear shifting. Beginner cyclists often think more gear shifting equals more performance. Nope. Learn your gears gradually. Don't shift under pressure. Keep it smooth and consistent, especially on climbs. Bad habit number 6. Wearing the wrong clothes. Cycling in cotton. That's basically riding in a sponge. Wear moisture-wicking clothes. You don't need pro gear, just stuff that's breathable and comfy. Bad habit number 7. Skipping rest days. Cycling every day might sound like dedication until your legs feel like concrete blocks. Recovery is part of training. Rest days help you come back stronger. Don't ignore them. So there you have it, to 7 rookie mistakes that you now know how to avoid. Cycling is one of the best hobbies out there, but only if you stay safe, smart, and hydrated. Seriously, drink that water. Which mistake have you made before? Comment below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps more new riders find this video. And hey, if you want more beginner cycling tips, hacks, and even ride vlogs, hit that subscribe button and join the ride.